Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the left connector rail in this LG refrigerator, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Fully extend out the top freezer tray by lifting the front, then pull out the ice container. Next, pull and lift out the freezer tray. Lift the bottom freezer drawer out from the rear. Set a support underneath the freezer door. Unscrew the Phillips head screw on the side of the slider assembly, and then remove the 4 bolts securing the connector to the door. To install the new connector rail, insert the connector into the slider assembly and thread and tighten the screw and 4 bolts, securing the rail to the door. You can now remove the support to the freezer door. Place the drawer back inside the freezer. Slide the tray back into the guide rails. Then insert the ice container. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.